Hey everybody, here we are out in the garage again. Toes are freezing once again, even with the carpet here. Standing on the carpet for a couple of hours, my toes were numb all the way to the ball of my foot on both feet. I just went in and took a break, had a coffee, got something to eat, and came back out and was just going to shoot you a video. And then I got to cutting up more paper and getting things going. Here's all the pieces that I've got so far. This is the top. Right, this will be the top, and there's some finishing yet to do. This is the bottom. You see how it's going to fit on there? Right, so and you see it comes up a little short. We're going to have to piece some little pieces in when we're done. And then these are the sides. You see the extra pieces we put in before I do this. We did go ahead and add that dip to it, to give it a little bit more girth there. But here's a piece. So the sides are actually going to be two-piece, because of the shape that it is. But this the piece that goes here, and then the piece that goes up above it fits on like so. And then we'll have to piece in, the other stuff. But before we start gluing any of it on, you got to get as much of it built as you can. Otherwise, you won't be able to get a pen in there to mark anything, But yeah, it's coming along. It's completely self-standing. It'll come right off here. Let me set you down. I don't want to bust this thing up. Let me set you down, and it's just the cardboard being tight, fitting in there. It comes right off. But once we get this thing all glued together, it'll be relatively strong, certainly strong enough to take a fiberglass part off it. If it'll support the weight of you dabbing on it with a brush, then you can take a part off it, But that's where we're at so far. I just got this sitting here because it's cold out here. I don't want this thing to collapse or fall apart overnight. But here, let me pick you up. Try and stay off the microphone. So there we are. We'll get those pieces glued on tomorrow, and that'll strengthen it up. That'll keep it from, moving around too much. But that's it. We'll once we get all the pieces on, we'll pop it off of there. We'll brush resin on it, and that'll make it good and stiff. And we'll hit the corners, with some sandpaper or whatever, and round the corners off. And we may even go ahead and just put a layer of glass on it, just to give it some strength, some body. And then we'll wrap masking tape on it and put the green seal or whatever on it, the part all. But that's it. That's what I've been doing today. Another couple hours. Really, it's the cold that's taken and adding the amount of time to this. Really isn't more than a couple of hours right there just screwing around, messing around. If I didn't decide to change everything and get into messing around with it, it had probably been already skinned and done. But there you go. Good enough to get her, we'll get a part off it and be able to give it a good, honest test. But that's it. That's all we got for you for today. Come on back tomorrow. We'll have a little bit more. Sunday tomorrow, get yourself to church. God bless y'all. Godspeed. What's going on, Alaire?